Hey traders, Nick Shaheen here, revisiting Hyliion. HYLN is the ticker. I won't revisit what I've said in my other videos as far as what I think about it. So this is strictly a trading comment. So by now, hopefully you've believed that the actual machines trading does matter to a stock, at least until you're proven right to hold it or add to it. This is not a recommendation to do whatever, trade it any which way or another. These are my thoughts as to how a stock behaves. Any stock, not just this one. So I'll show you the lines I drew. Way back then, this was my target, one of my targets. It got there. I gave us another one, and it's almost there. So looking at taking the lines out and ignoring everything else I've said in the other videos, what do I do now? If I hold stock, the first thing I would stop doing since 18 is add to my risk, because this is a speculative bet. Speculative because the price of the stock is made up entirely of my expectations or the bull's expectations of future successes. So by definition, I'm speculating that it's going to be doing better in the future. Let's not get hung up. It's not a bad word. From a trading perspective, it's in the descending channel. Clearly, the machines are in charge and they're acting like machines. It goes to the one end, they buy it a little bit, it spikes for whatever headline comes out, it hits the other end, they sell it. So if I see a pop to 10 and that gets me out, I get out. This is most definitely not a place to say, "Ooh, it's coming back up, let me load." That's me personally. So is 10.00 the line? No, but it could be. Anywhere near 10, I would be out. I would use the pops to fix mistakes. So if I got in at 10 and the pop back to 10 gets me whole, I should consider getting out. I usually like to buy a stock when it has a trigger. Like if they take out this one, 1270 might be a trigger, but immediately it hits other lines that matter. Like if for whatever reason it gets anywhere near 16, I would get out so fast. Anywhere near 18, I would get out. Anywhere in the 20s, out, out, out. This was a headline I remember. These pops I don't remember. So I don't track the news because the news is made to trick us unless it's an actual game changer. What's a game-changing news? Peloton, you remember? Recently they said, headline, the machines are dangerous. That's not a game-changing news. That's a headline shock. People react to the news even though it doesn't change the game. Who didn't know that treadmills were dangerous? Clearly they are. Somebody died. I've seen 1,000 videos of people face plant and fling back into the wall. So I knew they were dangerous for a long time. The headline would have been game changer if instead of saying they are dangerous, it said they are dangerous, therefore we are banning them. That changes the income statement of the company. That headline would matter. The headline of, hey, they're dangerous, warning, that's not a game changer. So I'm using that as an example here. So if they get a headline that we are launching sales of the whatever line and we already have this many orders, then I may consider that, okay, management is giving me, the bull, a bone. And maybe I can track that going forward. But anything else that is not material to the actual income statement is more noise and hope. So make sure to evaluate the headlines as they come out or ignore them completely and trade the charts. So far, trading the charts has worked better in this instance. I don't know why, but it is. It has found no bottom yet. And today is, what is it today? 421, and SPAC companies are rallying. How do I know? If I look at ARK, it's getting some love. I looked at a couple other SPACs and or EV related things and they're popping. Oh, Neo's popping. I hold calls. Good thing. So I truly wish this slide stops because the trucks are cool and the fans are super fans. Man, you guys are amazing, and gals. I don't get hate anymore in the comment section, so thank you for that. Maybe they figured out that I'm on their side. And just be realistic. In my opinion, adding to a falling knife that has shown zero ability to hold the floor is pretty reckless. I even saw somebody that put money on a credit card to do that. I was like, hopefully it works out. Maybe it spikes to 50 one day and everybody will be happy. But, that's a miracle headline. If it comes, I'll be clapping and I'll do a video saying, nice, finally. But, hope is not a strategy. You can hope it happens, but I wouldn't put my money on hope. I would rather put it on actual facts. So there's opinion and there's fact. Fact, the stock cannot find a floor. Opinion is yours and mine's and Bob's and Billy's and Jane's, that it will be X in time because of whatever reason we all have. So that's opinion. Fact, there's no bottom. Fact, there are no sales. And I haven't kept up with the management's updates. So that's on you. All right. Hopefully we have better news soon.